Every year, we lose power 3 or 4 times, sometimes for a couple days. After losing food with the last storm for 5 days, we just wanted the security of knowing that we were protected and backed up for electricity. I was shopping around trying to find quotes for generators, and I put my name in. I get no phone call. Oh, they'll call you. It's over and over and over. I did that for a year. Finally, I was at the grocery store, and I saw the Powers truck, and I said, I'm gonna wait by this truck until this guy comes out. I have no idea who he is. I told him the whole story. He said, we'll take care of you, without question. And that Monday morning, he called me. It was nothing but kindness and friendliness. It was awesome. We've had power outages since I've had it in. I'll tell you what, in about 3 seconds, the generator kicks on. I have never seen such a kind-hearted group of guys that worked on that generator. The difference is Powers cares.